Morning, guys. This is Marlon Pro Commercial Window Cleaner. So, Happy New Year to you guys. Today, we're doing a commercial window cleaning to this residence. It's a neighbor of my client, and they recommend me to me. They wanted the windows clean. I guess I haven't been cleaned before. You can see right here, and it's a nice looking residence. See, just all dirty, cobweb and something like that. And the first time I'm doing it, so my workers not with me today, so I'm alone. That'll be okay. And of course the residents not home either, because they have their own business too. And just me around here, and I taking my time. So you guys say Happy New Year. And please do give me a likes and a thumbs up on my channel. I appreciate it. And so you guys have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.